This audio is to help explain the 6 Creative Commons licenses given to us from creativecommons.org. Licenses provide tools for a range of people and groups to use in order to institute a simple and standardized way to grant copyrights for the reuse of another personal work. According to the website, these 6 licenses are listed as 1. Attribution CC BY. This license lets others distribute, remix, tweak, and build upon your work, even commercially, as long as they credit you for the original creation. This is the most accommodating of license offered. The second is Attribution Share-alike CC BY SA. This license lets others remix, tweak, and build upon your work even for commercial purposes as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the identical terms. This license is often compared to copyleft, free, and open source software licenses. The next is Attribution No Derives CC BY ND. This license allows for redistribution, commercial and non-commercial, as long as it is passed along unchanged and in whole with credit to you. Attribution Non-Commercial CC BY NC. This license lets others remix, tweak, and build upon your work non-commercially, and although their new works must also acknowledge you and be non-commercial, they do not have to license their derivative works on the same terms. The 5th license is Attribution Non-Commercial Share-alike CC BY NC-SA. This license lets others remix, tweak, and build upon your work non-commercially as long as they credit you and license their new creations under the identical terms. The last license is Attribution Non-Commercial No Derives CC BY NC-ND. This license is the most restrictive of our 6 main licenses, only allowing others to download your works and share them with others as long as they credit you, but can't change them in any way or use them commercially. These licenses are all given to us again from creativecommons.org.